What's going on, guys? Today we are actually going to be doing a little bit of install of a few different parts. Got a Mishimoto oil cooler, vacuum line, it's got a boost controller, turbo inlet, oil pickup tube, ID 1000 injectors, MAF sensor, TGV deletes, some gaskets. We'll be doing spark plugs today, and a little bit of oil change when we do the oil cooler. The oil cooler might get done. We'll have to see about that. So we'll be going over a few different things. Today's going to be a long day. We'll be taking it from there, guys. Alright guys, I went ahead and started a little bit. Basically we got to get the intake manifold off first. That'll be number one, because that'll help us do the turbo inlet, the turbo, the TGVs, the injectors will all be done once that is actually taken off. So I went ahead and started. All I did was take the intake off. Just undid the hose clamps here. We are going to be replacing turbo inlet and the TGVs, which are down here, the injectors, which are right in here. Can't really see it. Be replacing the turbo boost controller. That's about it. Be right back 1 second. Been a couple days. As you guys can see, the GoPro died. I thought it kept going, but after taking a look at it, it did not capture much of anything. It didn't make any noise when it went off, so I thought it was still going, but that's besides the fact. I got everything installed. Well, pretty much everything. We did do the ID 1000s, the turbo inlet, the FP blue turbo went in, the TGV deletes went in as well. Everything went smooth, or not so smooth with the injectors. The O-ring was too big, so we had to go to the local hardware store and get a smaller O-ring. So currently getting the car all ready with tuning and everything like that. The car's running good. I've been doing tuning. It's been a couple days since then. I got my friend doing an e-tune for me. I was gonna go with dyno tune with JR, but everything was so far backdated or booked up that it's my daily driver, so I had to get it going. So my friend Franz is going to he's been doing the tuning for me, and we're gonna keep going that way. It's been good. It's been feeling really good. I'll try and get some videos of that for you guys. Here's my cat. Oh man. But yeah, I'll try and get some videos of the car doing some pulls and stuff like that. But as of right now, we did do the idling and closed loop tuning, so we got that all dialed in. Now we're kind of working on wastegate pressure boosting, so that should be pretty good. That should go well. Other than that, yeah, I'll come back to you guys in the next video.